Hey Canva lovers! Ever wondered how people make those colorful gradient text like this? Well, today, I'm showing you how to create a beautiful gradient text effect in Canva. Fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a new design. I'm using an Instagram post size, but you can choose whatever you like. Before we make a text gradient, so that it doesn't look ordinary, we will make the background gradient. Click the background and select color options. In the color settings section, direct the cursor to the color section like this. We will find the settings icon and select gradient. In this gradient section, you will find two colors like this. You can click one to change the color. And below that, there are gradient application options. Please choose the one you like. After finishing setting the background color, now we will make the text into a gradient. Go to the application section and click on it. Then in the search bar, we can type gradient. We have found the application. Okay, let's just click on it and we will enter the text gradient settings. Okay, we can scroll down and start from the main text. Here you can type the text that will be made into a gradient. After finishing, we scroll down again and we will find the font section. Here you can also change the font type in this section. You can type it in the search, or you can also upload your personal font via the Your Font section. Okay, here I will use the Anton font type. For some reason, I like this font. Then next, we can set the font gradient. The way we do it is by scrolling up, and in this section, we can slide this line as we like. I want it like this. Once finished, we scroll down until we find the gradient color settings section. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Here, you can also set the gradient type from linear, radial, cone, and mesh. Now in the gradient color section, we will find 3 color points. You can change these 3 color points to get a gradient color, but usually I only use 2 colors. To delete one of the colors, you can click on one of the colors and select delete. Once you feel the color is right, you can press the Add to Design button. And now, we have a gradient font. Here, our gradient font is ready, but sometimes we want to change the color. Don't worry, we can still change the color to another color. To change the color, first, we click on our gradient font. Then, we select Edit. Then change the color again in the gradient color section. Once finished, click Update Element. Maybe, in some cases, the font will be reversed like this. It doesn't matter, you can just rotate it like this. And that's it. Now you have stunning gradient text ready to grab attention on your post, video thumbnail, or presentation. Love this gradient trick? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I share new Canva hacks and beginner-friendly design tips every week. Need more Canva tricks like this one? Check out the other tutorials on this channel and subscribe so you're always one step ahead in your design journey.